That bag of cat food on your counter cost more than your own groceries. And yet, your cat's body may be rejecting most of it. Not because it's bad, but because it's unfamiliar. Cats didn't evolve eating formulas. They evolved eating real food. And today, I want to show you 15 simple human foods that many cats quietly do better with than heavily processed cat food. Not instead of it, not dangerously, just small additions that often cost less and support real, visible health. Let's start with the one food almost every cat benefits from. Number 1, plain cooked chicken breast. If you only remember one food from this entire video, remember this one. Chicken breast is the most familiar protein to a cat's body. Clean muscle meat. No confusion, no fillers. Boiled or baked only. No skin, no salt, no oil. Cut it into small, soft pieces, about the size of your fingernail. Offer it 2 or 3 times a week, not every day. Why this matters? As cats age, they lose muscle slowly and quietly. You don't always notice until jumping becomes harder, posture changes, or they sleep more. Chicken provides usable protein that helps maintain strength without stressing digestion. Common mistake is adding seasoning out of habit. Cats don't need flavor. They need food their liver doesn't have to fight. If your cat becomes more alert or playful within a week or 2, that's often muscle and energy returning. Number 2, cooked salmon. Salmon supports skin, joints, and the nervous system. Always fully cooked, never raw. Steam it, bake it, or poach it plain. Serve a small piece once a week. Why salmon helps? The natural fats support dry skin, stiff joints, and aging brains, especially in indoor cats who move less. Many owners notice less scratching, smoother fur, and easier movement within a few weeks. Important reminder, fish is powerful. More is not better. Once a week is enough. Number 3, plain pumpkin puree. Not pumpkin pie filling, just plain pumpkin. This is one of the most useful foods you can keep in your kitchen. Loose stool, pumpkin absorbs excess water. Hard stool or straining, pumpkin adds gentle bulk and moisture. 1 teaspoon mixed into food, 2 times a week. Why it works so well? Because it supports digestion without forcing it. Most people are surprised by how quickly litter box habits improve. Quiet food, big difference. Number 4, cooked eggs. Eggs are nature's complete protein. Scrambled or boiled. No butter, no oil. A few small bites once or twice a week. Why eggs matter? Egg protein is easy for cats to recognize and absorb, especially helpful for older cats who struggle with processed food. Many cats seem steadier, brighter, and more engaged after regular egg days. If your cat appears in the kitchen the moment eggs cook, that's instinct speaking. Number 5, cooked turkey. Turkey breast is lean and gentle. Some cats digest turkey better than chicken, especially those with sensitive stomachs. Remove all skin, cook thoroughly, serve small pieces. Why turkey helps? It's calming to digestion and useful during stress, illness, or recovery. If your cat vomits frequently after meals, turkey is often worth trying. Number 6, steamed broccoli. Very small amounts. Cats are meat eaters, but wild prey included plant matter. Finely chopped broccoli, steamed until soft, mimics that natural balance. Mix 1 teaspoon into meat once or twice a week. A small amount of fiber supports digestion and urinary health. Most cats won't eat it alone. Mixing is the key. Number 7, cooked sweet potato. Mashed until smooth. Sweet potato provides slow, steady energy and gentle fiber. Helpful for cats who gain weight easily, crash after meals, or beg constantly between feedings. Serve once or twice a week only. Cats don't need many carbohydrates, but the right kind, in small amounts, can stabilize energy and appetite. Number 8. Plain cooked liver. Use restraint. Liver is extremely nutrient-dense. Chicken or beef liver, fully cooked. A piece no bigger than your thumbnail, once every 2 weeks. It supports immunity, vision, and recovery, especially after illness. Too much becomes harmful. This is a food that rewards respect. Number 9. Cooked shrimp. Shrimp is lean and rich in protective nutrients. Shell removed, vein removed, fully cooked. 1 small shrimp once a week. It can gently boost alertness and mental sharpness in senior cats. Think of it as a spark, not a meal.
Number 10. Fresh papaya. Papaya supports natural hairball management. Remove all seeds, cut into very small pieces, once a week. Why it works? It helps hair pass through digestion instead of coming back up. Many owners notice fewer hairballs within a month. Number 11. Plain cooked quinoa. Fully cooked and fully cooled. A teaspoon mixed into food once or twice a week. It offers gentle protein and minerals for cats with limited diet options. Always introduce slowly and watch for tolerance. Number 12. Cooked carrots. Steamed until soft, mashed or finely chopped. They add fiber without heaviness and support weight balance. Mix with meat so your cat accepts it easily. Number 13. Sardines in water. Only sardines packed in water, never oil. Mash 1 small sardine, bones included, once a week. They support heart health, joints, and coat shine. Strong smell means strong value. Number 14. Cooked rabbit. Rabbit is a novel protein for many cats. Lean, clean, highly digestible. Cook thoroughly, remove all bones, once a week at most. Often tolerated when other proteins cause problems. Number 15. Chicken liver, specifically. Very small piece, pinky nail size, once every 10 days. Often used quietly during aging or recovery to rebuild strength. Old-fashioned food, real results. You don't need all 15 foods. You don't need a complicated plan. 1 food, once or twice a week, watched over time. Cats speak through energy, coat, appetite, litter box habits. Those signals matter more than labels. Years ago, I had an older gray cat who slowed down quietly. No crisis, just less spark. I didn't change everything. I added chicken, then pumpkin, then eggs. Small changes, steady habits. She stayed comfortable, alert, and present far longer than anyone expected. If you've ever tried real food for your cat, even once, or if you're thinking about starting with just one of these, share your experience below. Someone reading quietly may need it. And if you'd like a simple 30-day rotation with calm pacing and safe portions, just comment rotation. No rush, no pressure, just better care 1 bowl at a time.